Hello, my name is Tiffany, and I'm a member of the Bright MLS Training Team here to review the August 6th system update. I'll go over all the changes, what exactly they mean for you, and how to find them in the system. Thanks for joining me. At Bright MLS, we regularly add new features and functionality based on subscriber feedback. So let's dive in. Auto close feature now available for active under contract and pending listings. On closing day, listing agents have no shortage of things to do for their client. So, with so many items to cross off, it can be easy to forget to update the listing status after it's closed in a timely manner. You now have the ability to schedule your listings to automatically close according to the close date in Bright. Here are 5 things you need to know about the new auto close feature in Bright. Automatically close on close date, yes, no, is a new option that will appear as a required field when changing a listing to active under contract or pending status. Selecting yes will schedule a listing to be updated to the close status in Bright based on the listing's close date. Relevant closing information will be hidden until the listing is closed. So things like closed price, concessions, financing, etc., those will not be visible to the public or in search until the listing is officially closed. Listings will be automatically closed based on close date. In order to give you time to complete the closing and do everything you need to do on closing day, listing changes will not be published until 12 a.m. midnight or at the start of the day after closing. Listings scheduled for auto close will be flagged in the listing management homepage. While you will not get a separate listing alert, any listing that is scheduled for auto close will be flagged in the listing management homepage when it is within 10 days of the close date. And lastly, any existing listings will be opted out by default. For current listings in the active, under contract, and pending status, automatically close on close date, yes, no, will be set to no by default. If you would like to take advantage of this auto close feature for any of your existing listings, feel free to make the updates in your Bright listing today. Updates to the photo upload process. The photo upload screen has been updated to clearly indicate which photo will be displayed as the primary listing photo. Here are the 3 changes to photo upload. We are removing the main photo checkbox above each listing photo. We are highlighting the listing photo that has been moved into the first position in orange. This visually indicates this is the listing's current primary photo. We are changing the help text to indicate your primary photo does not have to be a curbside image. As with all system updates, we encourage you to check your listing for any adjustments you wish to make. One last update: hot water is now required for residential sale, residential lease, and farm listings. To ensure the type of hot water system a property has is readily accessible for buyers, hot water is now a required field in residential sale, residential lease, and farm listings. Look for this field under Building and Utilities in Listing Management. That's all for our August 6th system update. If you'd like more information, please visit www.brightmls.com/system updates. And remember, if you found this video helpful, like and share it. We'd love for you to get the latest updates from our team, so make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the little bell to be notified when new videos are uploaded.